You wanted to learn the keywords to finding motivated sellers. What are the keywords that they're using, Eric? Right? How do I know? How do I Noow? How do I know? I forgot the N in there. How do I know that they're motivated? Right? Here's some. Motivated keywords. Right? Here's one. Here's a big one. I use this one all the time. Fix. You can put that into Zillow. You can put that into any of your programs. Use fix as a keyword. Fixer. Right? Fix up. Right? Fixer upper. Right? Fix and flip. I showed you guys how to use these keywords in Zillow, the free way, right? You don't have to spend. Go into Zillow, scroll to the bottom, and put these keywords in there, and it'll generate each property that uses these terms in their description, saying, you know what, this is a fix and flip. Let's go ahead and investigate. Let's go find more. So not to write a whole essay here, I'll run through them real fast. So we left off at fix and flip. You've got flip, you've got flipper, wholesaler, rehab ready, contractor special, contractor ready, rehabbed, renovations, handyman special, investment. I use investment a lot. Investor, builder, developer, investor special, investor owned. Right? Let's go on to the next one. Right? Here's on the condition side. TLC, I use TLC a lot. Lots to offer. You know, bring your imagination. I'm seeing that a lot right now in Florida. Creativity, vision, potential, possibilities, finishing touches, special touches, personal touches, diamond in the rough, hidden gem, paint and carpet. It's never paint and carpet. It's always a freaking roof. Move-in ready. It's never move-in ready. Livable, fair market value, sweat equity, vacant, and needs work. Right? Here's when they're disclosing really bad conditions. It's condemned. You don't want to go into that one, but you want the deal. Right? Code violation, that's a big one. City inspections, another big one. Mold, fire damage, smoke damage, water damage, roof leak, foundation, structural, no permits, unpermitted, flashlights, trash out, caution, tear down to the studs. I love that one. It's easy to wholesale. Or to fix. Home has problems, house has problems, poor condition, bad condition, unavailable, not livable. Bring your contractors, right? This is for the no retails, right? Just no retail financing. Cash only, cash preferred, cash sale, cash deal, cash offer, cash buyer. Proof of funds, hard money, no FHA, no FHA approved, no VA approved, will not finance, no financing allowed, traditional financing not available, conventional or cash offers only, private money, private financing, rehab loan, renovation loan, FHA 203, right? So these are the only financing that they will take. Here's if the seller's a little motivated. And again, these are keywords. Use these keywords in your searches to find properties easier. Motivated seller motivated, must sell, bring all offers, consider all offers, best offer, price to move, price to sell, entertaining all offers, willing to negotiate, negotiable, back on market, priced aggressively, highest and best. We're not in the market anymore where they're highest and best. Right? Let's see. Here's my personal favorite, being a sub 2, sub 2 member and community student. Create a finance lingo, Financing available, owner financing, seller financing, lease option, rent to own, land contract, contract for deed, owner will carry, quick claim deed, for sale by owner, FSBO, FSBO, subject to novation, hybrid, wraps, lease sandwich. You have a few in the creative side that I love. Here's for my investors: buy and hold, income property, 1031 exchange. If you don't know what a 1031 exchange, stop right now, go to Google, look it up. That's where you can make some big money. Rental, tenant occupied, long-term tenants, do not disturb the tenants. Cash flow, cash cow, portfolio, duplex, multifamily, right? So these are just some out of like the 100 of keywords that I personally use. If you want these keywords, smash the like button, subscribe, put it down in the comments, say, Eric, I want the keywords, and I will blast them to you. Make sure you drop your email, and I'll go ahead and send them your way. Peace.